welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me in Watton in Norfolk. Never known what's around here, well, apart from RAF Wayland, which is not too far down the road. Obviously we'll be avoiding that area. Apart from that, all I can remember is RAF Watton, which we used to be here. There's no restrictions there anymore. We'll have a look, see if we can see anything, any remnants, but I think it's all houses now. Right, so let me take the drone up, see if we can find anything interesting and get back to you at the end. welcome back. Filming all done. As you saw from the video, we went over Watton. Not much to see, I'm afraid. Such is life. We did find a church on Church Walk, so we did record that. There seems to be the runway still there. It is inactive. We checked on drone assist beforehand. Yeah, there was no flight restrictions, so yeah, we're all good to go. We were on that. So yeah, so as we couldn't get too far, we're just too far away from where I was to go any further safely. So anyway, we got as far as we could. All houses, it seems to be there now. None of the old buildings. I remember being here many years ago when it was disused, but there was still a lot of the buildings there. Anyway, enough of my rabblings on. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the jazz by now. Bye bye for now.